All right, guys, I'm out here with the Temu Flashlight right there. Got a status light. I charged it, right? It is almost midnight out here. As you can see, the spotlight, actually no, floodlight is pretty good. It actually captures quite a lot. If I go wide angle here, I mean, you can see this thing is insane just on the floodlight mode. And then if I go back to, the 1X here, right? And again, this one has a trick up its sleeve. So if I want to focus that light, you go zoop. Oh man, look at this thing. Oh man, the reach is insane now. When I zoom in, look how far that's going. That is insane, you guys. Oh my gosh, this is a real lifesaver right here. Ready? Boom, 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 boom. That's my Star Wars sound effect, by the way. The reach is crazy. I could probably call Batman right here with this thing. So if Batman shows up, you know what's up. That is crazy. So yeah, you can definitely focus the light to wherever you want to send it. And that is just insane how far the reach is on this thing. Oh my goodness, definitely very impressed. Up at the trees there, right? Looking really good, right? And then of course, if you want to get more light, right? Let it be light. Look at that. Oh man. I mean, honestly, it works really good. Definitely works really good. Check this thing out. Oh my goodness. This is insane. Once again, ready? You can see everything, right? I'm about to look at that. Just sent it all over there. Oh my gosh. All right, let's bring it back. See, something you wouldn't see otherwise with the floodlight, but then I go full on spotlight and zoop. Wow, that's insane. That's insane. And of course, I mean, you got your different modes, so that's the brightest. If I cycle through the modes, right here, you got the medium, right? And then you got the low, right? Strobe, SOS, and off, right? So yeah, there you have it. Quick test at night. Definitely pretty sweet right here. You can do this. That is insane on this guy. You guys let me know in the comments, right? What your thoughts are right here. Oh my goodness. Yep. I don't know what else to say. I'm definitely very impressed.